doing, sir? Welcome to Yosemite.
Yosemite National Park, bit of a mission to get here. Today is spectacular. Look at this. Yesterday was pretty wild. We've awoken to some epic weather today. We're rigged. Let's go. What do you want to find, Gerald?
Black bear.
Black bear.
Yep.
I want to see a mountain lion chasing me. We've had deer walking through the camp last night, which is pretty cool. Look at this.
Deer there.
Oh, that's not deer, that's dog prints.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, shows how good trackers we are.
That might be a coyote, Joe.
Coyote.
There's no dogs down here.
Follow our journey. We're looking for some pretty cool stuff today. No words?
Words of wisdom. You got to be here. You got to do this at least once in your lifetime.
It's pretty cool. We've seen some cool places, but check this out.
This is spectacular.
This is right up there. Man, that is beautiful. We're looking for animals. Let's go.
Well, there's swags of coyote tracks around. Man, they're just like vacuuming up the place.
We've just seen some mule deer. Big lenses are on. What do you reckon, Gerald? Just seen some mule deer. There's a buck there. We're going to try sneaking and get close and get some video of them.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting, really.
Just do it, Joe.
Yeah, watch this. See what we can come up with. I'll follow you up, Gerald. They're a little bit ahead of us. We're going to try sneaking a bit closer. I'll follow you. So cool. So cool. So yeah, we'll see what else we can find, but bears. We want to see the bears, man.
Yeah, we saw some bear tracks, so we might just go and follow them up.
Couple of crazy Kiwis gonna track down the bears. Black bears. Let's go. Looks like these bears come down here at night, following some bear tracks just behind me, coming down to these bins. I bet you they come and just check it out looking for the food. So I want to see one there. So bad. Crazy Kiwis, eh? All the way over here, trying to track them down.
Even the colour of the bottom and all the rest of it, eh?
What about it?
It looks different. It's unusual.
Words of wisdom?
Probably all pine needles and stuff. And yeah, I think... I'm not sure where we are, but I think we might have to just camp here the night. Snow cave.
Well, day's coming to an end. We've got an hour and a half or so left of decent light. Check it out, still looks absolutely stunning. Still no bears. Hey Gerald.
No, I can barely stand it.
It's unbearable, man. We're just going to keep going till dark probably. We've seen a few things, but not the bears, man. Crazy Kiwis looking for bears.